Hey guys, now we are climbing high castle of Lviv. Please, chalo.
Namaskar. Love you.
High castle में.
Now we are going to the hill with my friends. He's Anji Bhaiji, Hagile, and Pawan is there, and Rahul is there, but he's not interested in these things. So Rahul, it's very hard to
Actually,
go.
you know one thing? Who is the man behind this? Hanji Bhaiji. He told that.
Anyone don't.
No, because not abusing.
Oh.
Yeah, he told me that there is one castle over there. We are
No,
climbing.
that's we told.
It's hard cut. It's hard cut, but everyone feeling hard cut. What we can say about this?
മലയാറ്റൂര് പോയില്ല.
അതിന്റെ പ്രതികാര.
Oh my friends, here 1 minute I will take.
Okay.
And here one very good anchor.
Guys,
Namaskaram, teacher ji. And tell me about this trip, Ukraine.
this is a trekking part of our trip.
Yes.
Lviv's trekking part now.
One person.
1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. We will reach within 5 minutes.
Who told you?
ऊपर 5 minute ऊपर. Wow, क्या बात है? What Hindi?
Conquering the hills of Lviv.
On next one, Hagil.
എന്തൊരു തള്ളാണ് ഇത് എന്റെ Actually, we are in a part of the major heart.
No, Malayali.
No, in Malayalam it's not needed. We are
No, Hanji Bhaiji will tell. 1 minute, yaar.
Selfie boy, selfie.
Teacher, selfie boy, please tell about the hill.
जी ये वो
Shortcut.
कैसल जो हमारे टीचर जी ने बताया कि हाई कैसल नाम का कोई
हाई कैसल लेकिन हाई रास्ता भी है.
और जी इसका रास्ता बताने में मेरे को शर्म आ रही है क्योंकि मैंने शॉर्टकट लंबे से भी ज्यादा लंबा कट हो
पवन तुम्हारा नंबर. पवन तुम्हारा नंबर है, बताओ.
क्या कहूँ भैया?
कुछ भी बोलो, हाथ जोड़ के नमस्कार करो. पहले नमस्कार करो
नमस्कार मेरे सभी भाइयों और
बहनों.
हम सब जा रहे हैं अभी कासल के ऊपर. ये रास्ता हमें हांजी भाई जी द्वारा सजेस्टेड है. आप भी हमारे साथ
अरे मेरा
एंजॉय करिए.
सुन.
और ये एक महान व्यक्तित्व के मालिक
नमस्कारम.
जिनका नाम है सूरज तिवारी.
It's great way of to go to hill. We are too tired because we are coming from Uzgrod in morning 6 o'clock till now. Still we are traveling too much and by the walk, and we are going to hill.
See, some people are also taking selfie down there.
We are enjoying. We are trying to come, so please help me.
Don't come here yaar.
Why?
Suraj, please change your pose boy.
What is the not way of? It's very great way.
because he is focusing your backside.
Oh, it's Rahul. Rahul, yeah, please tell some instruction about this hill. Shortcut.
It's a rocking trekking course on. And I'm enjoying it. Thank you.
Oh, great. Next one.
And now we reach the half of our trip. Let's focus on. That's the top of
Oh,
hill.
but we need to
Zoom.
not zoom. It's already zoom. I need to decrease the zoom. Decrease zoom.
This is our friends Elian and Dick Cruz.
Yeah, great friend. You have a lot of friends, but they are not talking with you. What a friend. And this our trip shortcut by the Hanji Bhaiji. Great formality faculty number 3. And what is the degree?
We need to go up Hanji bhai.
Degree.
Actually, BDBF, Bachelor of Formality and Bachelor of Discipline.
Discipline. What a clap for Hanji Bhaiji. What a great trip. He
Actually,
made
Hanji
this
Bhaiji
trip.
planned here.
Yeah.
No, planning is done by Mr. G. Joseph, but Ma should tell by me.
Please show the more way. Please show the way. How it
Okay.
goes up.
Jesus Christ.
This is the half we finished,
Jesus Christ.
and this is the half we need to finish.
Actually, you know one thing. Hanji Bhaiji told that we don't have enough time, and Hanji Bhaiji is working like slow motion, robotics.
Oh, wow.
Okay. Now let's end the movie.
Let's stop the video because
Okay.
Time is.